Hello and welcome to the brand new episode of Integrated Cooking. Paneer Tikka is an outstanding Indian starters out there which is loved by everyone. Today I am going to share with you two ways of how to grill them. So let's get started. For this we would need 300 grams of fresh paneer which is cut into cubes. Similarly, we would need 1 big onion and 2 big capsicum. To make this more colorful, you can choose different colored capsicum or even include de-seeded tomatoes. Now let's start with the marinade. For this, we would need half a cup of thick curd or yogurt, 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. You can adjust this as per your taste. Then we would need 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Then add salt as per your taste. Now to this I am going to add some crushed kasturi methi, and then we would need 2.5 tablespoon of roasted gram flour. Finally I am going to add juice from half a lemon. So now using a spoon I am going to mix this well. So for the perfect consistency at this stage you can add some curd, but please ensure it's not too watery. Okay, our marinade is now ready. Now let's start adding the onion and capsicum. Now using a spoon, I'll give this a good mix. It's completely coated over the vegetables. So let's give this a good mix. So at this stage I'm not adding the paneer because there are high chances for it to break. Okay, now this is coated really well. Now I'm going to add the paneer cubes. I'm not going to use a spoon. Instead, I'll use my fingers and mix the paneer really well. Ensure the marinade is completely coated over it. Be very gentle. We don't want to break them. Now let's keep this aside for 30 minutes. Now let's start arranging the vegetables and the paneer over a skewer. So I have inserted 1 capsicum, then 2 cubes of onion, then the paneer piece. Let's arrange this in this order. Okay, our skewers are now ready. Now let's start grilling them. For the first method, I'm going to use a microwave oven. My oven already supports the grilling combo, so I'm going to choose that. So for this, I'm going to use 2 grilling racks. I'm not going to preheat my oven, I'm going to directly cook them. So onto this grilling rack, I'm going to place the paneer tikka skewers. So our grilling rack is now ready. Let's place this inside the oven. So we need to cook this for 30 minutes. So for that I'm going to choose the micro plus grill combo, and then I'm going to heat this for first 10 minutes. Let's start cooking. Once the oven beeps, I'm going to take this paneer tikka out. Then I'm going to brush some oil over them. So this will add some crunch to your paneer tikka. Now let's turn them around to cook it evenly. keep turning them around so that the paneer tikka is evenly cooked on all the sides. After 30 minutes of cooking, a paneer tikka is now ready. Now for the second method, I'm going to cook the paneer tikka on a tawa. If you have a grilling pan, you can use that. So place the tawa in moderate heat and drizzle some oil. Place the paneer tikka skewers on it. We will follow the same method. We'll keep turning them around to cook it evenly on all the sides. At this stage, let's brush some oil. Keep turning them and check if it's evenly cooked on all the sides. Our paneer tikka is now ready. Let's start plating them. Here you go, our paneer tikka is now ready. Please do try it at home and share us with your feedback. See you soon with our next recipe. Bye.